Have you noticed the business sentiment score is currently at plus 0.023? This is a subtle but significant uptick from our historical baseline, suggesting a slight, yet intriguing optimism in the air. With momentum flat at plus 0.000, it indicates that while sentiment is rising, the momentum hasn't quite caught up yet. This could mean a potential turning point is on the horizon. Our API returns a range of insights, including sentiment scores, momentum, and semantic clusters, which can help you identify key themes driving this sentiment. For instance, if you're developing a tool to analyze business trends, you could leverage this data to push notifications for when sentiment scores exceed certain thresholds, alerting users to potential investment opportunities. Dive deeper at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.